এসডিও সাহেব সহ কাঁথি থানার পুলিশ অফিসাররা আসবেন, উনাদের সামনে বলতে হবে 28/8/2024 তারিখে বিজেপির ডাকা সাধারণ ধর্মঘটের দিন এখানকার চন্দন শীটের দোকান খোলা নিয়ে সামান্য বচসা ঠেলাঠেলি ছাড়া কোনো গন্ডগোল মারপিট হয়নি বা কেউ তার জাতপাত নিয়ে কোনো গালাগাল দেয়নি এবং চন্দন শীটকে গ্রাম্যভাবে বয়কট করা হয়েছিল, এই সব কথা বলা যাবে না। বারে বারে আমাকে ভয় ও
They will be
How
given
will
a
the trial
warrant,
go
and
on?
that is
Under
the-
which procedure of law? You tell me under CRPC, which are the provisions are to be followed? Or BNSS now? Tell me. You have expert police officers, superior police officers, experts. Ask them now under which provision of law this process before the court will follow. Advise the court. If police officers go like this, diluting the case, there is no case. Under the CRPC, I am telling you, the accused will come before the High Court, it will be quashed. The person could have himself gone to the court under 323 with the medical report. Why is police assistance required, sir?
This channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
Yes.
I beg to appear for the petitioner. Well, it was that matter when your lordship was intrally pleased to call the SDPO Kathi. Now, my lord, what has happened after your lordship had directed the SDO Kathi to appear, he, along with the local Upapradhan of the ruling dispensation, went to the locality, threatened certain persons. My lord, I have made a complaint to that effect. This is the conduct of an SDPO. My lord, I would say, my lord, the call records of that Upapradhan and SDO be placed before your lordship. That would show they were both present together on the spot.
Please,
The complainant is also perhaps present as
Yes, he's there.
না কিছু হওয়ার নেই ভাই, তুমি এত উত্তেজিত হয়ে যাও কেন সবকিছুতে? Why are you worried? আমি মাই লর্ডকে বলবো সেটাও পারবো না, মহা মুশকিল।
what was your purpose for coming before this court, Mr.
But, if I had to be registered under the SC/ST Act, what has happened, my lord? Kindly sees, after my lord, your lordship had directed, this has happened, my lord. May I just read the contents? আমার বিনীত নিবেদন এই যে সাচ এন্ড সাচের পাশে চায়ের পানের দোকান আছে, গত ইংরেজি 19/3/2025 তারিখ বিকাল আনুমানিক 5টা 5:30 নাগাদ আমাদের এলাকার আউরাই গ্রাম পঞ্চায়েতের উপপ্রধান মাননীয় পিন্টু গিরি ও পঞ্চায়েত সদস্য শৈলেশ জানা সহ নামালডিয়া ও ছনবরা এলাকার তাদের কিছু অনুগামী নাম ঝন্টু ও সাচানসাদ আমাদের দোকানে হাজির হয়। সেই সময় আমার দোকানে খদ্দের ছিল, তারা আমাকে দোকানে উপস্থিত খদ্দেরদের বলে যে কিছুক্ষণ পরে এসডিও সাহেব সহ কাঁথি থানার পুলিশ অফিসাররা আসবেন, উনাদের সামনে বলতে হবে 28/8/2024 তারিখে বিজেপির ডাকা সাধারণ ধর্মঘটের দিন এখানকার চন্দন শীটের দোকান খোলা নিয়ে সামান্য বচসা ঠেলাঠেলি ছাড়া কোনো গন্ডগোল মারপিট হয়নি বা কেউ তার জাতপাত নিয়ে কোনো গালাগাল দেয়নি এবং চন্দন শীটকে গ্রাম্যভাবে বয়কট করা হয়েছিল, এই সব কথা বলা যাবে না। বারে বারে আমাকে ভয় ও ধমক দিয়ে এই কথাগুলো
where is this over here?
Now, well, this has happened within after your lordship had directed the SDPO.
So whatever the case has been registered under the act.
Not under that act, my lord. The other charges has been framed, my lord, because with respect to that particular complaint, whether
সোজাভাবে মামলা করবে না, গন্ডগোল পাকিয়ে দেবে, তারপরে কোর্টে আসবে, হাইকোর্টে। You understand the difficulty now, why problems sustain in areas? You're not adhering to the laws. There are two ways. Either you file a formal FIR in non-cognizable offense after getting permission from the magistrate, you complete the investigation according to law, file charge sheet, because once the permission is granted, you do in this manner, then this will be treated as a complaint case. And how are you going to place these documents?
my instructions are that on this basis they will surrender before the court. They will be given.
How will
a
the trial
warrant,
go on?
and that is
Under
the-
which procedure of law? You tell me under CRPC, which are the provisions are to be followed? Or BNSS now? Tell me. You have expert police officers, superior police officers, experts. Ask them now under which provision of law this process before the court will follow. Advise the court. Mr. Rahul, I'm telling you one thing. If police officers go like this, diluting the case, there is no case. Under the CRPC, I'm telling you, the accused will come before the High Court, it will be quashed. This is totally, this is 2D complaint, basically. The person could have himself gone to the court under 323 with the medical report. Why is police assistance required, sir? What is the use of keeping police authorities? Asim, this is a he is proceeding as this police report will be treated as a complaint. And you see the definition of complaint, a report of the police is not to be treated as a complaint. See the basic definition of complaint under the BNSS or the CRPC. There's a question you will first you will get in the law examinations also. What is a complaint?
May I submit on a
একটা জায়গায় ধরেছি একটু wait কর so far as that is concerned.
Kindly consider an allegation was made under the SC/ST Act. Your Lordship, in the matter.
There's a second part. I'll come to that. Second part. I'll come to that. Let him say he has done this thing. What is the fate of this thing being done? Some exercises have been done by the police authorities by using the government end stationaries. What is the fate of this?
According to them, this prosecution, they will be bound down. That is their end of the road. What they say.
I don't understand. An offense has been made out, so a trial is required. I'm just seeking advice that under which provision of law the trial will proceed. You don't say no offense has been made out. You say some offense is made out. That's a non-cog according. Let me accept you. You are correct in every respect. What will the court do? Declare the persons convicted? You tell me.
Dependent on the summon of the court, that the court will summon them.
And how will the court proceed now? এটা কবে সাবমিটেড হয়েছে 28/9/2024 today we are on month of March. Cognizance has been taken or not?
That they don't have.
This is difficulty, sir. You won't be able to keep law and order like this, sir. It would have been easier if they sought permission for registration of FIR under non-cognizable offences.
By this time, it could have been.
You could have controlled the persons concerned, sir.
At least an investigation to have.
You would have control over the persons. See, there is some problem. You can't say.
That is admittedly what the report also says. So
complainant will exaggerate. State accused will say, I'm innocent. This is where you have got to move. The average in criminal case everywhere.
With respect to the present status, let us come back. Some time be given.
Next. Ask him to now. Let's come to the complaint which was filed, sir. Is that page 20? Your complaint.
Page 20.
Any of the persons who have you checked from this person Chandan sheet? Who were the persons who were there at the relevant point of time?
না তাকে কি চন্দন শীত থেকে দেখে কিছু জিজ্ঞাসাবাদ করেছিলেন?
আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড তো সরকারি কাজ আমিও করেছি খুব মুশকিল
মানে তো what I have been told that he was he was not at home at that point of time. Several times they visited, they could not.
You say shop is open, he is carrying on business.
Right now he is carrying on. His wife is now running the business from the shop. He is not available.
He is not available till now. Record further statement of this.
Regularly, he is not present over there.
All right, record statement. If he divulges any name, do that. You understand as a counsel of the state, you understand also some problem.
May I just simply suggest one issue? Let him file a fresh complaint.
No, this complaint only, sir.
At least a statement to the police.
Statement to the police, definitely.
They may
statement to the police. Please do this please do this, sir. You see, finality is something different, but every threshold is completely different. When you start the case, you need not think that there will be a conviction.
Well, let him go to the SDPO himself and whatever statement he wants to make, let him
Let him
mistake, my lord.
work on that, give it, sir.
In that
Certainly,
premise,
my
I
lord,
would
that I'll,
submit,
my lord.
because after your lordship on the last occasion had passed an order, the SDPO along with the leaders of the ruling dispensation, they had been coming and threatening and lodged a complaint to that effect. If your lordship is not satisfied with my submission, your lordship would call for the call records of those person. What an Upapradhan or a Panchayat member has to do with a law and order situation of a particular place?
Oh, that is gone now. So forget
No,
that.
that is
I'm
the
giving. I'm
threat-
very
threatening.
that I whatever is there, outcome is there. I have given my mind to him. Ah, take care, sir. Ask your officer. Otherwise, don't
Particular
force.
email ID or something
No, no,
given so that a notice will be given. He will come up and give his
He
statement.
will go to the office of the SDPO
Very well.
and he will record the statement. Ask him who were the persons present over there. Record their
Absolutely.
statements. Come to a
Absolutely.
conclusion.
According to a procedure, yes, it will
As
has
simple
to,
as that.
my lord, only the date and time be fixed, my lord, so that I'll instruct here and now. He will be there.
That would
Yes, yes, yes. We also want let it be.
When is he available? SDPO at his office.
Okay. Tomorrow you'll present. Own time. At about 11 in the morning. At about 11 morning.
At about 11. Yes, yes, yes.
Just it is लिखे ना go do something, sir. This way you won't be able to keep law and order, sir. Things are becoming difficult. You don't know what will be the fate of what you are doing. Is this accepted from a superior officer?
Well, this is not something that the police cannot do. They are not doing. What I'm saying, your lordship on the first occasion directed them to register an FIR. State assured that was recorded. Well, kindly sees the attitude of the police. The
No,
SDPO
no,
is trying
not
tooth
an
and nail.
FIR directly. Don't.
They are trying tooth and nail to
was
protect
not-
this person.
No, no, no.
The
We have,
SDPO himself, he is keeping his job at stake to protect this
Yes, all
person.
right. We'll see, sir. You have come to a court of
Yes,
law.
yes, my lord, kindly.
Have faith on the court of law. We'll do. आज हम petitioner who would attend the office of the SDPO on कल के को तो 22 ना on 22nd of March 2025 at 11 a.m. बोला मैं at 11 a.m. In view of the reports so submitted, this is SDPO Kontai, who
SDPO contact.
the SDPO Kontai who would record the statement, cross-check regarding the initial accusations made in the information furnished
At page 21. Well, let it
at
be.
page 20/21 of the writ petition. And thereafter, if he finds that any cognizable offense is made out, he would proceed in accordance with law and submit a fresh report before this court. In the meantime, the SDPO would instruct the inspector in charge of the local police station to ensure that there is no breach of the peace and no tranquility at the local. Next, 28th, I am keeping the matter. List the writ petition under the heading to be mentioned on 28th of March 2000. You take back these papers. I'm not satisfied. Training, whose papers are this? Is সব ট্রেনিং এ পাঠিয়ে দেবো সবে ট্রেনিং ইনস্টিটিউট গুলো পড়ে আছে বেকার